morning, students. A very pleasant good morning to you all. Today, in this session, we will learn about the circles and the terms related to circle. And we will learn about the theorems related to circle in the next part of this session. So, what is circle? Circle is the locus of a point which moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a given fixed point is always constant. In simpler words, we can say that circle is a set of points which are equidistant from one given point, or circle is the locus of all those points which are equidistant from one point. So that's the definition of circle. Now there are some terms related to circle. What is radius? Radius is a line segment which joins the center and a point on the circle. Or we can say the line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called its radius. Circumference or the perimeter of the circle. So what is circumference? Circumference means what? The perimeter of the circle. So we can say perimeter of circle is called circumference and its value is 2 into pi into r. Chord. What is a chord? A chord of a circle is a line segment which joins any 2 points on the circle. The line segment joining 2 points of the circle is called a chord. And diameter. Diameter is also a chord. Diameter is in fact the biggest chord. So diameter is a chord of circle passing through the center of the circle. Or we can say diameter is the biggest chord. Now secant, a line which intersects a circle in two distinct points. Here in the figure you can see the line L is intersecting the circle at A and B. So this line L is a secant. So secant is a line which intersects a circle at two distinct points. Tangent. Tangent is a line which intersect the circle, or we can say which touches the circle at one point, and the point at which it touches the circle is called the point of contact. So in this figure you can see that the line ST touches the circle at the point P. So P is the point of contact. Now position of a point with circle. A point P is said to be inside the circle if the center of the circle, with the center O and radius R, if OP is less than R, means the distance of the point from the center is less than the radius, then it will be inside the circle. If it is equal to the radius, then it will lie on the circle, and if it is greater than the radius, then it will lie outside the circle. Now some more terms related to circle. Interior of a circle. It is the region consisting of all the points lying on the circumference of a circle, and inside it, either on the circle or inside it, is called the interior of the circle. Exterior of the circle, the region consisting of all those points lying outside the circle, is called exterior of a circle. And circular region, it is the region consisting of all those points which are either on the circle or lie inside the circle, is said to be in the circular region or the circular disc. Concentric circle. Two circles are said to be concentric if they have the same center but different radii. So when two circles are having the same center but different radii, they are said to be concentric circle. Arc of a circle. Arc is a continuous piece of a circle. Arc is a continuous piece of circle. It's called an arc. Here you can see in the figure ACB is an arc of the circle. And the degree measure of an arc, let AB be an arc. of the circle with center O. If angle AOB is equal to theta, then degree measure of arc AB is equal to theta, and we write it like this: measure of arc AB is equal to theta. We read it also like this. Now congruent arc. Two arcs AB and CD are said to be congruent if they have the same degree measure. Now, in the given figure, AOB and COD, if are equal, means angle AOB is equal to COD, we say that arc AB is congruent to CD, or we can also say that measure of arc AB is equal to measure of arc CD. The next one is semicircle. So, if the diameter of a circle, whenever a diameter is drawn, it divides the circle in two equal parts, and each of the two arcs is called a semicircle. So, whenever a diameter is drawn, it divides the circle in two parts, and each arc is called a semicircle. Now, the minor arc and the major arc. If the length of an arc is less than the length of the arc of the semicircle, it is said to be minor. Otherwise, it will be a major arc. In the given figure, you can see APB is the minor arc and AQB is the major arc. Segment of a circle. Whenever you draw a chord in a circle, it divides the circle in two parts. Each part is called a segment. So, the region enclosed by the arc and the chord is called segment. The part of the circular region bounded by an arc and a chord is called a segment of the circle. So, whenever you will draw a chord, it will divide the circle in two parts. The bigger part is called the major segment, and the smaller part is called the minor segment. The next one is sector of circle. It is the region enclosed by an arc of a circle and its two bounding radii is called the sector of the circle. Alternate segment. The minor and major segment of circle are called alternate segment of the circle. And the last one is quadrant of circle. So whenever you draw or you can say 1/4 of circle is called quadrant of circle, or whenever you draw two diameters perpendicular to each other, then the circle is divided into four equal parts, and each part is called the quadrant of the circle. Congruent circle. Two circles are said to be congruent if their radii are the same. So, two circles with center O and R and another circle with center O dash and S are said to be congruent if their radii are same, means R is equal to S. And the last term is the cyclic quadrilateral. So, a quadrilateral ABCD is said to be cyclic if its all vertices lie on a circle, and points lying on a circle are said to be concyclic. And that's all for the day. Hope you have understood the terms related to circle. In the next part of the video, I'll discuss some theorems related to circle. That's all for the day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.